Hey guys, it's Ashley with AMJTutorials, and today we're going to learn how to apply a border around our stickers to give it that nice clean look and feel. And if you watched my previous video on making these stickers, we're just going to go off that. We're going to upload our PNG images into Cricut like so. We're going to go up here on the top and click offset. I like to have a 0.1 inch border around each sticker, and it shows the preview. I'm going to click apply. It automatically puts a black border around. You can go up here on the top, up here in the color, and click white or whichever color you'd like. You can see over here on the right we have two separate things. We've got our images, and then we have our offset. We're going to draw a box to select both, and we're going to flatten it. You can see this little triangle with an exclamation mark in it. If you click on it, it says not supported by Explore. Our image is too large, so we need to make sure, and it tells you it needs to be 6.75. So let's change that to 6.75, and we can make it bigger, 9.25. Okay, and then we're going to do it like we did last time and click make, and it shows, and click continue. And the next steps are the same steps we took whenever we made the first stickers. So if you didn't get to watch the video, I'll link it down below and you can watch that. And that's it. That's as easy as it gets. Please let me know how you like this video. Thanks for watching. Happy creating.